When we insure a package which we dispatch by mail, comma, do we get a receipt? Question mark. A zeal for justice should be the mark of each citizen, comma, high or low, comma, rich or poor, full stop. We readily obey laws which history teaches are the wisdom of centuries, full stop. We have several large disks which we wish to dispose of. I think we should reduce them to 6 guineas a piece, comma, and if we do so, comma, we ought to succeed in disposing of them, full stop. Besides the discs, comma, we have several large red rugs which we have had in the shop too long, comma, and I think we ought to put them on sale, comma, to, full stop. If we make them cheap enough, comma, we should have many customers for them, full stop. What do you think? Question mark. I wish you would come to the city and discuss this sale with us, full stop.